Perpetual darkness is the order of the day in PHCN Ikorodu District, Ajegunle Service Center area, Ikorodu Road, Lagos. The use of Irawo, Ako Estate, New Odobo, Thomas Olaniyan, and Ajegunle that make up PHCN Ikorodu District, Ajegunle Service Center area have taken the power dilemma of the area to the court of public opinion. The youths plan a series of rallies to bring the plight of the area to public notice. It is more than 6 months now since perpetual darkness have taken over the area as a result of the failure of PHCN to provide light. However, during the same period, the people of the area have been subjected to what is now popularly known as crazy fear. The youths are now crying out loud to government to save the area from perpetual bankruptcy. They said businesses in the area have been paralyzed. No group is left out. Hairdressers, barber salon operators, tailors, fashion designers, eateries, pharmacies, hospitals, shop owners, small-scale industries are all grinding into a halt. The average cost of fueling petrol engine power generators is rising daily. They put the cost at about 7,000 naira per week for a small outfit. The PHCN officials in charge of the district doesn't seem to care or are outright helpless as the situation of no light in the area continues to persist for over 6 months now. The youths are demanding no payment of PHCN bills in the area until the darkness in the area is reversed to light. That the area be accorded the same treatment as other areas under the Ikorodu district that are enjoying better power supply. The sporous debt be cancelled and not transferred to the prepaid meters that may be introduced later on. This is a typical example of Nigerians, a people on the verge of bankruptcy. Hi, my name is Emmanuel, bringing to you a report on perpetual darkness in PHCN Ikorodu District, Ajegunle Service Center area, Ikorodu Road, Lagos, Nigeria.